Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yan, another reading na naman tayo today for you mga Aries. So, kamusta kayo dyan Aries? No? So, let's see. Ano yung mga dapat yung pagfokusan this week, no? What's the major concern, no? Na dapat yung bigyang pansin this week ng mga Aries natin. And of course, self-care advice and message advice from the universe, no, mga Aries natin. So, let's start. So, kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, Aries, no? Tignan natin ano yung what should you be focusing, no, this week. Tignan natin ano yung major concern this week for you, mga Aries. Tingnan natin. One card for Aries, please. Let's see. So, you have this adoration. No? So, ang nakikita ko rito, for some of you, Aries, no, kasi may couple, no, adoration. So, sabihin natin, affection, adore, no, affection or attraction, no. So, kung sa couple man, no, or sa person mo man ito, no, maybe ay major concern mo this week, no, kung major concern this week is baka magiging mas affectionate kayo sa person ninyo, something like that, no, or kung ano man ito, baka manunuyo ba kayo, the adoration. So, I don't know, no. So, let's see, no, clarify pa natin tong, sabihin natin tong card na to with the adoration, no. Kumbaga parang, no, more on sabihin natin, baka magpapakita ba kayo ng affection, no, something like that, no. So, dun kayo magpo-concentrate. So, but then let's see, no, kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for that, Aries, no. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Aries, no. Clarify that card, adoration. Let's see. Kuha pa tayong 2 cards here for Aries. Ayan natin. So, you have this Knight of Cups in reverse. So, yan, nagalaw yung ating video. So, you have this Knight of Cups in reverse, no? And then, the High Priest, no? So, I think, no, ang mas nakikita ko dito for some of you, no, maybe you are committed, no, with this person, for some of you, Aries. With the High Priest, no? And then, with the Knight of Cups here, yung nakikita ko is, parang kabaligtaran, no? There is no affection at all na, no? Parang wala na yung love or, sabi natin adoration, no? So, maybe yun talaga, no? Maybe for some of you, Aries, no? Parang, ito na yung parang this week, no, mas makikita mo or makikita mo yung nawawala na, baka may for some of you na fall out of love na, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? For some of you, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko, no? So, let's see, clarify pa natin, no? But then you are committed or married, no, to this person, no, Aries, no? So, let's see, no, ano pang meron. Kumbaga sabihin natin, no, sabihin ko nga baka for some of you manunuyo din kayo, no, with the Knight of Cups in reverse. Ang nakikita ko, mare-reject, no, for some of you, if you are the masculine here, no, rejection ang makukuha ninyo this week, no. And so let's see, no, clarify pa natin. Tignan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Aries, no. Tingnan natin. Clarify pa natin. Additional messages for Aries. Tingnan natin. 2 cards for Aries, please. Tingnan natin. So you have this, no? You are not your emotions, no? And then the die is cast, no? Yeah, no, I think, no, ang nangyari sa inyo ng person na ito, no, kumbaga sabihin natin, no, merong nasaktan dito, no, mga Aries natin, kasi ang nakikita ko rito, parang nilagay sa, yung isang person dito, no, kung sino man, no, ay, sabi natin, hindi nagseryoso, no, kumbaga ginawa siyang option, sabi natin, no, parang game, no, nilagay siya, hindi siya sineryoso, no? At may abuse pa ako nakikita rito, no? That's why itong person na to, kung sino yung na-abuse dito, no, naging matigas na siya, no? Nawala na yung emotions niya at all, no? Because full of hatred na tong tao na to, no? Maybe kung kayo nga yung masculine at kayo yung abuse sa tao na ito, no, nawalan na yung emotion niya. That's why yung adoration, yung adore, sabihin natin affection niya sa inyo, no? Or sabihin natin kung ikaw nanunuyo, no, hindi niya na tinatanggap or hindi niya tatanggapin this week, no, i-reject niya because this person, no, ayaw niya nang i-ano yung emotions niya, no, kumbaga nilalabanan niya na because masyado nang nasaktan itong tao na to, no, dahil nilagay siya sa isang option or isang laro, no, parang hindi siya sineryoso, no, kung sino man ito Aries, no. So yeah, vice versa, no, kung kayo yung feminine or masculine or sabi natin kung sino yung hindi nagseryoso, no, dinala yung pwedeng may third party involved, no, kaya nagkaroon ng ganito, and then may abusive person din, no, that's why yung isa dito ay naging matigas na because of the pain na binigay sa kanya ng the other person. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, no, Aries, no. So kung ikaw yung manunuyo, no, this week ay nakikita ko, no, mare-reject, no, hindi niya tatanggapin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no. So yeah, tingnan naman natin what's the self-care advice for you this week, mga Aries natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Aries. Let's see self-care advice for you this week. So you have this, no, spend time with animals. No, maybe for some of you literal, no, baka may mga literal na alaga talaga kayo, no, at malayo kayo, no. Siguro namimiss na kayo ng mga alaga ninyo for some of you, no. So spend time with the animals, no, this week. Or maybe ay more time with them this week, no. So ay hindi nakikita ko dito, no, mga Aries natin, no. So let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Aries natin, no. So let's see, kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Aries, no. Message advice for you ni universe. Tingnan natin for Aries. So you have this, no, Angel de los Muertos, no, transitions to the spirit realm. So I think, no, for some of you Aries, no, sinasabi sa ni universe, no, kumbaga it's time, no, it's maybe kung ikaw tong naliligaw ng landas for some of you Aries, no, parang sinasabi sa iyo dito, it's time to get back, no, in the good side, no, sabing gano'n, no. So transition to the spirit realm. So magkaroon ka ng sabihin natin, ibalik mo yung pananampalataya mo, no, something like that, no. Sa inyo nakikita with the spirit, no, kumbaga lumayo yung loob mo, no, with the good, or sabihin natin lumayo yung loob mo sa spiritual, no? Maybe you have to be more spiritual this time, no? For some of you, para magkaroon ka ng clarity sa mga sa isip mo, no? Parang you are, 'di ba? Parang naliligaw ka kasi with this no, Angel de los Muertos. Parang nakikita ko you are so confused, no? So maybe you have to get back on the track, no? Something like that, no? Ibalik mo yung yung tiwala mo, no? Tiwala mo, pananampalataya mo. Parang sinasabi sa iyo magdasal ka, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Have a connection with the Most High, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kasi for some of parang naliligaw ka or you are being confused right now, no? Sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Mga Aries natin. So yeah, that's it for you mga Aries. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, no, for some of you. So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Aries.